Sun in Aries in the fourth house. Have you ever felt a strong need to create a life that feels completely your own? Maybe you have a powerful connection to your home, your family roots, or your private world, but at the same time, you feel a deep desire to do things differently and create your own path. This is one of the themes of Sun in Aries in the fourth house. In this video, we'll explore what happens when the Sun, the planet of identity and purpose, combines with Aries, the sign of independence and courage, in the fourth house, the area of home, family, roots, and emotional foundation. Let's break it down. The planet. The Sun. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity, your life force, confidence, and the qualities you are here to develop. The Sun shows where you naturally want to shine and express yourself. It represents the question, who am I becoming? The Sun is the center of the birth chart, symbolizing your personal purpose and the energy you bring into the world. The sign. Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and is ruled by Mars. It represents courage, independence, initiative, self-expression, the desire to begin something new. Aries energy is focused on becoming its own person. It wants freedom to make decisions, follow its instincts, and create its own identity. At its highest expression, Aries is brave, confident, and pioneering. At its lower expression, Aries can become impatient, reactive, or overly focused on doing everything alone. The house. The fourth house. The fourth house is the house of home and roots. It represents family, childhood experiences, ancestry, emotional security, your private life, your inner foundation. The fourth house describes the environment that shaped you and the place where you feel most connected to yourself. It also represents the foundation you build for your future. Putting it all together. When the Sun is in Aries. In the fourth house, your identity is deeply connected to creating your own foundation. You may have a strong need to define yourself separately from your family background or early environment. This placement often describes someone who wants to build a home and personal life that reflects their own values, not simply repeat what they inherited. There can be a strong desire for independence within the family dynamic. You may have grown up feeling like you needed to become your own person early, or you may have developed a strong inner drive to create security through your own efforts. Your private world is important, but it must feel authentic. You need a home environment where you can be yourself, recharge, and feel in control of your own space. Your core power. Your greatest strength is your ability to create a foundation from your own courage and determination. You have the power to become the person who starts a new chapter for yourself or even your family line. This placement can give you strong leadership within the family, independence, protective instincts toward loved ones, the courage to rebuild after difficult experiences, the ability to create your own sense of belonging. You may be someone who doesn't just inherit traditions, you improve them. You have the energy of a pioneer within your personal life. Your core challenge. One of the biggest lessons for Sun in Aries in the fourth house is learning that independence does not mean having to do everything alone. Because Aries values self-reliance, you may sometimes struggle with accepting support or showing vulnerability. There can also be tension between wanting freedom and wanting emotional security. You may feel restless if your home environment feels restrictive, controlled, or disconnected from who you truly are. Another challenge can be impatience with family patterns. You may want to quickly change or move beyond the past, but healing your roots often requires patience and understanding. Your evolution. As this placement matures, you learn that your past does not have to define you. You become the person who consciously chooses what traditions, values, and beliefs you want to carry forward. The evolved Sun in Aries in the fourth house understands that true strength comes from having a secure inner foundation. You no longer need to fight against where you came from. Instead, you use your experiences as fuel to create a life that feels authentic and meaningful. Reflection. Questions. If you have Sun in Aries in the fourth house, ask yourself, am I creating a life that reflects who I truly am? What parts of my past do I want to keep, and what parts am I ready to transform? How can I create emotional security while still honoring my need for independence? Your greatest power comes from building a foundation strong enough to support who you are becoming. Remember, no single placement tells your entire story. Your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and the rest of your birth chart add important layers to how this energy is expressed. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, sign, and house combination, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next astrology lesson. If you have Sun in Aries in the fourth house, share your experience in the comments. How has this placement shown up in your relationship with home, family, and your personal identity? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.